Hey everyone, let's talk about celery. Yes, celery, that green stalk often relegated to the back of the fridge. You know, the one that's been hanging out since your last attempt at a veggie platter? It's time to give celery its due. Celery has been hiding in plain sight, quietly boasting about its health benefits. Low in calories? Check. Packed with nutrients? Check. Can help you feel better than a stand-up gig on a Friday night? Okay, maybe I got carried away there. But seriously, celery is a powerhouse of goodness, especially if you're over 50. Don't let celery's pale green exterior fool you. This veggie is bursting with vitamins and minerals. We're talking vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, folate, and fiber, just to name a few. It's like the multivitamin of the produce aisle, but way more delicious. And way less likely to get stuck in your teeth. And here's the best part. Celery is super low in calories. So you can munch on it to your heart's content without feeling guilty. It's the perfect snack for those of us who like to graze between meals. Because let's be honest, after 50, our metabolisms are about as fast as a sloth in a hammock. Okay, I'm not saying celery will turn back time, but let's dive into why this humble vegetable is often touted as a superfood. If it did, I'd have a lifetime supply. Celery is packed with essential nutrients that can contribute to overall well-being. But it can help with some of the common health concerns that pop up as we age. For instance, its high water content helps keep you hydrated, which is crucial for maintaining healthy skin and organs. Think of it as a little tune-up for your body. Regular consumption of celery can aid in digestion due to its fiber content, helping to keep your digestive system running smoothly. Like changing the oil in your car, but way tastier. Celery is also low in calories, making it a great snack for those looking to maintain or lose weight without sacrificing nutrition. Remember all those vitamins and minerals we talked about? Celery is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and potassium. They play a vital role in keeping our bones strong, our hearts healthy, and our minds sharp. Vitamin K, for example, is essential for bone health and blood clotting. And as we get older, these things become even more important. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of stroke and heart disease. So eating celery is like investing in your future self. It's a small step that can lead to significant long-term benefits. And trust me, your future self will thank you. By incorporating celery into your diet, you're not just eating a vegetable. You're making a choice for a healthier, more vibrant future. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't overlook the celery. It's more than just a crunchy snack. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can support your health in numerous ways. Whether you enjoy it raw, in a smoothie, or as part of a delicious meal, celery is a versatile and valuable addition to your diet. So go ahead, give it a try and see the benefits for yourself. Remember when you could dance all night and feel fine the next day? Yeah, me neither. Aging comes with its fair share of aches and pains. But here's where celery swoops in to save the day, or at least make it a little less painful. Celery contains antioxidants that can help fight inflammation throughout the body. We're talking about reducing those pesky joint pains, muscle soreness, and even headaches. It's like a natural ibuprofen, but without the risk of upsetting your stomach. And believe me, at our age, we need all the help we can get in the tummy department. Celery for digestion, like a broom for your insides. Let's be real, digestion isn't exactly a glamorous topic, but it's important, especially as we get older. Things tend to slow down a bit, if you know what I mean. Celery, with its high fiber content, can help keep things moving along smoothly. Think of fiber as a broom for your intestines. It adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass. Plus, it helps regulate bowel movements, so you can say goodbye to constipation and hello to regularity. And trust me, your bathroom will thank you for it. Celery and blood pressure. A recipe for a happy heart. Keeping our blood pressure in check is crucial as we age. High blood pressure is no laughing matter, but luckily, celery can lend a helping hand, or stalk. It contains a compound called phthalate, which helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. This means less stress on your heart and a lower risk of heart disease. And who wouldn't want a happy, healthy heart? It's the engine that keeps us going after all. So eat your celery, folks. Your heart will thank you for it. Celery and hydration, the water weight wonder. In this section, we will explore the incredible benefits of celery, particularly its role in keeping us hydrated and healthy. Staying hydrated is important at any age, whether you're young or old, active or sedentary. Hydration is the cornerstone of good health, but it's especially crucial as we get older. As we age, our bodies undergo various changes that can affect our hydration levels. Our bodies tend to lose water more easily, and our sense of thirst may diminish, making it harder to stay adequately hydrated. Dehydration can lead to a whole host of problems, including fatigue, dizziness, and even more serious health issues like kidney stones and urinary tract infections. The good news is, celery is about 95% water. This means that incorporating celery into your diet can be an excellent way to boost your hydration levels. That's right, this crunchy veggie is like a tall glass of water in solid form. It's refreshing, hydrating, and incredibly versatile. It can help quench your thirst, replenish electrolytes, and provide a satisfying crunch that makes it a great snack option. And it's not just for seniors. People of all ages can benefit from the hydrating properties of celery. Whether you're at a picnic, by the pool, or just lounging at home, celery is a fantastic choice. Plus, it's a lot more fun to eat than plain old ice chips. Imagine enjoying a crunchy, refreshing snack that also helps keep you hydrated. So ditch the sugary drinks and reach for a stalk of celery instead. Sugary beverages can lead to weight gain, tooth decay, and other health issues. Your body will thank you for it. By choosing celery, you're making a smart, healthy choice that supports your overall well-being. So next time you're feeling thirsty, remember the water weight wonder and grab some celery. Fun facts about celery. You won't believe it. Now for a little celery trivia. Did you know that celery stalks are actually a type of petiole? That's the stalk that attaches a leaf to the stem of a plant. Who knew? It's like the brainy cousin of the vegetable world. And here's another fun fact. Celery is a negative calorie food. That means it takes more calories to digest celery than it actually contains. So technically, you could say that eating celery actually burns calories. I know, right? It's like the magical unicorn of the produce aisle. Incorporating celery into your diet. Easy and delicious. Okay, so you're convinced that celery is a nutritional superstar. But how do you actually eat the stuff? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Celery is incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in countless ways. You can munch on it raw, dip it in hummus or peanut butter, add it to salads, soups, and stews, or even juice it. Yes, celery juice is a thing, and it's surprisingly delicious. Just be sure to use organic celery if you're juicing it, as conventional celery can be high in pesticides. Celery the verdict, your body will thank you. So there you have it, folks. Celery, the unsung hero of the produce aisle. This humble vegetable often goes unnoticed, but it truly deserves a spot in your shopping cart. It's packed with nutrients, low in calories, and can help improve your health in countless ways. Celery is rich in vitamins A, K, and C, and it's a great source of antioxidants. These nutrients are essential for maintaining good health and can help protect your body from various diseases. Plus, it's affordable, accessible, and easy to incorporate into your diet. You can add it to salads, soups, and smoothies, or simply enjoy it as a crunchy snack. The versatility of celery makes it a perfect addition to any meal. Whether you're 50 or 150, adding celery to your diet is one of the simplest yet most effective things you can do for your health. It's known to aid in digestion, reduce inflammation, and even help lower blood pressure. The benefits of celery are truly remarkable. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't just walk past those humble celery stalks. Take a moment to appreciate their potential. Celery can be a game changer for your health, and it's so easy to include in your daily routine. Grab a bunch or two and give them a try. Experiment with different recipes and find new ways to enjoy this nutritious vegetable. You might be surprised at how much you enjoy it. Your body will thank you for it. Embrace the power of celery and make it a staple in your diet. From boosting your immune system to keeping your skin healthy, the benefits are endless. So go ahead and make celery a part of your healthy lifestyle today. A final word, keep on crunching. Remember, life is too short to eat boring food. So get creative with your celery. Add it to your smoothies, your stir fries, your sandwiches. The possibilities are endless. And most importantly, have fun with it. After all, laughter is the best medicine. Well, thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below and hit the bell for more health and wellness inspiration. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.